Well, here we are again today. Oh, I left the back door open so he'd go outside. What does he do? He runs back inside. When I come into this room, I tell you, this dog's something else. Anyway, FedEx just dropped this off, and this should be the MacBook computer I got. It's not a brand new one, of course, because altogether I paid a total of $48 for this thing. So I don't expect much. Let's see what we can do here. Actually, the dog wasn't in my way, but he is. Let's see here. I'll do it this way. Good. Good dog. Good doggy. Alright, let's see what we have. Okay, we have a FedEx priority box. Okay, so. Well, it's not rattling, so that's a good sign. Of course, it could still have a broken screen. Who knows? Let's see. I just gotta figure out how to open this stupid thing. Come on, open up. And of course, they tape it on top of it. They have those things stuck on there with that glue. And of course, they tape everything up. There we go. Now we'll peel this up out of the way. Let's see what we got. Now we put that into. Now I know number one, he said, well, it works, but you'll have to plug it in because the battery that's in it is dead, of course. So I figured that. So, well, more. I tell you, tape everywhere. Yeah, I guess better than not taping it at all. Let's see what kind of a foam job we have here. Foam, more foam, and that looks like it was semi-protected here. There's the cord. Extra cord, no, the other cord. Alright, so all the cords are there. Looks about the right age. Okay, and of course more tape. Oh, jeez, here we go. More tape. Yeah. Okay, now. And actually, why did I get this? I have no idea. I saw it was cheap. I don't have anything that's an Apple around here, never did. I've never had an Apple other than when I was working on old Apple IIe's at the Valley Christian School, where my wife was helping out at the time, and I was setting up all the computers there, and it turned out they happened to be all used Apple computers. So I was setting all those up in their computer lab. Okay, so number one, it's silver. And it's got the big hole where the battery should be. And of course I figured that. But let's see. Where does that go? Okay, so plug in. I have no idea where that goes. I'll figure that out though eventually. Let's see. So, let's see. Let's make sure the screen's not busted first. That would be number one. Well, Does not look like the screen is broken. It's got a dent there. So it is metal. So keyboard looks okay. And a little crease in the back there, not very big, little minor things. But it's pretty clean. That's the other thing got me, it was pretty clean. I guess I could eventually find a battery for it, I guess. Let's have to see if it's worth it. I don't know. But yeah, so like I said, cosmetics wise, yeah, this actually looks better than what he described. The guy described it was not that great a shape, but yeah, okay, well, there you go. So anyway, at least I want to find out if it works. I guess I could do that while you guys are there. Let me see. Let's see what we got here. We have the cord. Actually, the cord really looks like in really nice shape. I mean, the cord looks newer than the computer does. And his computer is made in 2007, so it's not very new. And this you slide in there and lock in like that. And where does it plug in? Well, it can only plug in one way. It's got a keyed connector on it. So, let's see where that goes. Let's see. Okay. Where does it go? Where does it go? Okay. Weird shape. Does it go there? Here, there? Does it go this way? Huh. Well, I just don't know. Let's see. Those are both Wi-Fi. That's Wi-Fi. Where's a power connector? Gotta be in here somewhere. No. Is that power? Well, if it is, it doesn't go in very far. Well, I guess it is. Okay, well, I guess I got the power hook there. Now he's got to plug it in. But let's disconnect this other part. So we got some more cord to play with. Right now it's sort of, can't really move it around much. There we go. Now we got it. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and unscramble this mess. Plug it in and we'll see what happens. See if it goes, blows up. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I shouldn't have said blown up. I mean, you don't say blow up on videos. You know that? And what happens? It takes videos off, thinking there's something that's going to happen in the video. Alright, so power is plugged in. And let's see. Just turned it on. I hear something. Well, there's a little Apple sign. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Oh well, it's scrolling through. Okay. We're still waiting. I don't know how long you have to wait for this thing. Still scrolling. Well, there's one thing though. Something is sure making a lot of noise. And I don't see a... Where's it coming from? Oh. It's noisy. Here. Hear that noise? Sounds like it's a motor running or something. I guess we'll see. There it is. It's a Mac operating system. Let's see. We'll hit the test button and see what happens there. And there's a test button. Password? I don't have a password. Oh, we'll just say forgot password. No, let's see. Let's not just do that. Let's go back. Let's go back and we'll hit this guy's name. I have no idea who it is. And, oh look! The screen came up. It's doing weird stuff now. Oh look! It's even doing more weird stuff. It actually has a screensaver up there. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's got stuff in it. Oh, it's... Actually, it found my Wi-Fi. Well, there you go. Yeah. Apparently, the last time this thing was turned on was February 21st, 2020 at 7 p.m. So, just a few days ago. The guy that sent it to me. Okay, well, anyhow, I'll play with this while you guys are playing there, but that noise is sure getting... I don't know why it's so hummy. Anyhow, there you are. That's going to be it for now. You want to say bye, Chud? Oh, you want to get my lap again? Oh, sure. Just look at the camera. Say hi. Bye. That's it for now.